Welcome back. We continue our journey of learning how to record the capture with a pawn, and that is like we'll be learning that capture where also the promotion comes. So let us understand first the order of recording a pawn promotion through a capture. The order 1 is the file from which the pawn departs, that is usual, because we know that there is a change of file when pawn captures. The second is the symbol of capture indicated by a small x. Third point is the arrival square of pawn after capture. The fourth one is the equal sign indicating promotion. Once again, to remind you that this is not a FIDE standard to use this sign. It is just customary to add it for the sake of clarity. And of course, as I said, that software does not use this equal sign, so you will not find it in the software. And the fifth point is the symbol of piece to which the pawn is promoted. Very important. So if you are promoting it to a queen, you will be adding that word Q, or for rook R, bishop B and knight N. And then finally, in case it's a check or checkmate, the respective symbol for that. So I will illustrate 4 examples to help you in getting understand as to how this notation is to be recorded. So in the first example before you, the pawn on b7 is capturing the rook on a8 and decides to promote it to a queen. So we'll be writing this b into a8, and then we put the equal sign, which I said is not compulsory, only for the sake of clarity, and then we put it as q. So the notation b into a8 equals q. Like here you can see in the notation column, it is straight away coming as b into a8 q. Equal sign is not coming. Example number 2, it's turn of white. His pawn on g7 decides to capture the rook on f8. So here the notation would be g into f8 equals r, and then it's also a not only a check to the king, but it's checkmate. We see this rook being supported by the bishop, and king does not have any flight square on h8 or g7 or f7, nor it can capture the rook on f8. So it is check and mate symbol which we have to add. And now in this example, white captures on a8 and promotes it to a bishop. So how do we write this? B into a8 equals b, that is for bishop. This example here, white captures on d8 and promotes it to a knight. So here this pawn is standing on the e file, that is e7 square. So we'll be writing that file name e into d8 and then promote it to a knight, that is equal n. So e into d8 equals n. And what do we see? We also see it's a check to the king. So we'll also be adding that plus sign. I hope you have understood all these examples as to how to record the capture with the pawn and then with promotion. So I'm taking a break for now, and we'll be back with the last chapter on the algebraic chess notation, and that is of recording ambiguous moves. Bye for now.